So guys, shout out to anyone that for the 14 views, and also my Ate Sandra are made, and also watch her on her koan TikToks on the YouTube. She only got um two two views on her video when she was koan dancing the toka toka, and I feel bad because I don't know why, but I just feel bad. So shout out to her and to all of the viewers that made me have 14 views. Thank you all so much. I really appreciate the 14 views. This is my first time getting 14 views in my life. Bye guys, this is all. What Anyways, what are your names? Give me in the comment section below.